Here's the unboxing of the Smart Toilet. Everything was nicely packaged to keep it from breaking or damaging during the transportation process. It also had a film over to keep anything from getting scratched. So you can see everything was nice and neat. This is an extra battery pack in case that there's a power outage. And then it comes with the things that you need to install the toilet. Here's the controls. So you definitely want to look over them. They have so many features. It's definitely such a quality product. Next, we installed it. You need to have 2 hands because it is really heavy. Hey guys, here to give my honest opinion on this toilet. There is so many features, so hang in there with me for a minute. So the installation was pretty simple, straightforward. If you're not familiar with installing, you can definitely have someone do it for you. But this is really easy. You come up, you tap here, and if you are a male and you want to double tap, you can do that, and it'll go ahead and open up the other part of the toilet. And then just to close, you tap it, and it'll all close, and then it will flush. So some of the features that the remote offers is here you've got this fan, and you can actually turn that fan on to dry after using. And then you've got the bidet feature here, and then this one here is for front, if you need a front spray. Then you've got water temperature, and then your light. You've got here where the seat temperature, the full flush, deodorizer, half flush, open and close the lid, open and close the seat. Okay, over on this side, you can manually do the bidet if you want to. So you can see the different features that it has on this little knob on the side. So you can just turn it to whatever you need it to do, and it'll do it for you manually. So this toilet has so many features that I do not want to go through all of the list, but you definitely are getting a quality product. One, it's got this nice warm heated seat. It's got the light inside so you can definitely see in the nighttime. So it's easy for kids or even adults to be able to use this. It's not really tall. This is an ADA size toilet, which just helps with your knees, which is one of the reasons that I absolutely love this product. So it's definitely one of those things that you can use for kids or adults. It's a great quality. This down here on the base is porcelain, which I think is such a nice feature. And then the lid has the soft close. It's just such a nice toilet. Plus, just keeps everything really clean, which I love that about this toilet. I like things to stay clean, especially with kids that forget to flush every once in a while. It definitely takes care of things like that. Okay guys, I'm going to show you some of the features that it has within the toilet with the fan and the bidet that I showed you on the controller earlier. So I'm going to put pressure here because it only works if you have a little bit of pressure. So first we're going to start by showing the spray. So this one is starting out with the back spray. Okay, so you can see this is more towards the back. Now we're going to show you how it extends forward. So this is how it extends forward if you need a front spray. So here you can see it's going forward and backwards to get all that clean. And it's got great power and water pressure. And then you've got the fan. So the fan feature is just great for a nice clean dry after you go. So when you want to turn the temperature down of the water, you're going to press that button that says water temp multiple times. And so here we've got 90, 93, 96, 99, or you can set it at 86. So that's the temperature that you can set the water at. And then the seat is the same. You're just going to push the button that says seat temperature, and you can set it to 99, 86, 90, whatever you want to set the temperature to the seat itself whenever you're ready to sit down. So those are some of the features that it has. Absolutely excited to use this toilet. So grateful for the company for gifting it to me. I would definitely recommend this.